All right, what's up, guys? So this vlog's gonna be a little bit different because I moved this weekend to a new place, so I didn't really have time to film or edit or anything. So this one's gonna be a rush job, but I promise next week I'm coming back with some fire content. Fire content, and it will be good. I have some challenges coming up and also a little series preview, something like Real World, but I don't know, maybe like the Real Ratchets of Orlando or Is this thing on? Oh, what it is? Okay, it's a confessional. Whatever. Okay, so my name is Corey Elizabeth. It's not Elizabeth. It's Corey Elizabeth. Okay. Let's get it poppin'. Wow.
If I could get photographer now?
Vlogger. Vlog, bro. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Have a YouTube channel and everything. JZ19. Here's a plug.
Oh.
But yeah, just got to my friend's house, so we got it.
Take that away.
It's dark in here. I don't know why it's so dark in here. I can't see anything. I know you guys can't see me, especially. I know it's weird. You gotta get used to talking to the camera, cause like, yeah. This is Julia. Or let's go into the light. So this is Julia. Say hi, Julia.
Hi, everyone. Nice to see you guys.
Nice to see you guys. Right? Yeah, I need some content. Oh my god. This is Bo. Say what's up, Bo.
How y'all doing?
What's up?
What's up?
How are you?
How you doing?
Good. Vlogging.
What's up? What's up?
I got some days. Wow. Egypt's in the building.
Fried rice. There's extra white rice there in the front that we didn't put here.
Hey, Shelly.
And anything that...
What's up?
Hi.
You just wake up? You hungry?
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Woo! Yeah, yeah! Come on! So Shelly, where are you going today? I see you in this orange number. What are you serving? Yes!
I'm gonna go serve looks.
Hey! Well.
Se luce, se luce con la cámara.
Alright, para la cámara. We got underage, drink responsibly, 21 and up. If you're 21 and up, you can drink. If you're not, save it till you're 21.
It's worth it.
That hookah life. Move the fabulous. Like hookah life. Secret. It's like secret ingredient. Wow. Yeah, I'm leaving. Bye.
I love you.
Love you too.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. See you tomorrow. Bye. See you guys. Have fun.
Oh, you're not coming?
No, I'm not going. No.
Love you long time.
It's very nice to
Nice to meet you, man.
I hope I can see you soon.
Yeah, definitely. Y'all will make it on the vlog. Everyone's making it in the vlog. I know how that feels too. And it feels good. Mwah.
Oh, send through the
It is hot.
Fuck.
It's humid.
know,
No, it's
my-
just humid. That's it.
Yeah, that means
That's
hot.
it. That's
That means
it.
hot. That means hot.
Right?
Hot, humid thing. Yeah. Too sweaty.
I'm not in a hurry. I mean, like, you guys can take your time to leave.
Alright, I'm out. Back to the Anderson Fortress. Peace.
We don't live at Anderson Fortress anymore. We moved from there.
A few moments later.
Yo, Jay!
Yo, what's up?
Come over here.
Oh, damn. Look, you got a nice view of the pool.
Check out my bucket.
Oh, the bucket.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, guys. So this is our new place. We live at the Sunrise Fortress now. Anything to say?
It's pretty nice. I like it.
Yeah.
We got a pool!
We got a pool! we'll do some montages in that. But thanks for watching the vlog. I know it was kind of rushed because we were moving, but we're all moved in. We still have to unpack, but some good stuff coming to you soon. Peace!
Hey, no one's perfect.
Right? Peace! Who was that girl in the orange dress? She trying to fight?